Hello, welcome to Mindful Musings. I'm Dee Dee, your host. I am an energy alchemist, a sound bowl practitioner, and an intuitive. I thought I'd do something a little different today. I'm going to see if it works because it is so incredibly gorgeous today that I went, this is a perfect time to demonstrate. Get outside, be in nature. Well, there's going to be some non-nature sounds, there's going to be some lawnmowers and all that stuff. But you can hear all the birdies, and to help ground, because as always, we definitely need assistance with grounding during these tumultuous times. So let's see, today is Friday. And I have no idea what date it is. I think it's the 22nd. Ooh, that's a master number. Anyway, this will probably be a very short video because as comfortable as I am out here, I'm also a little uncomfortable just because I'm like, oh, am I talking too loud? Are my neighbors listening? Those are my issues, not yours. So, let's see what Spirit has to say today for the highest and greatest good of all concerned. And as always, remember. Thank you, Jay. Hi. Grounded. Make sure you are grounded. Means shoot those roots from the base of your feet all the way to the center, base of your spine, center of the earth. You're doing your breathing. You are out in nature. You're breathing in the fresh air, and you are hydrating with your blessed infused water. You are remaining neutral in the center of your head. Oh, it was just a little hummingbird. See, it's very magical. Get outside if you can. See who is going to talk to you. Golly. We really all need to take time out. What was really coming to me today, and from another video I was listening to, is our mind. It's just incessantly, that is how we've been conditioned, that is how we've been trained. We went intellectual knowledge, we went mind knowledge. But what if what your soul really wants is just for you to be? I know we've talked about this before in some of the other videos I've done about the need to just rest, to just be here now and be in a receptive place. That if you've gained the intellectual knowledge, intellectual spiritual knowledge, whatever, but that you need to be able to integrate it into the heart, into this wisdom. And that's the soul experience. Because, we can get caught up in this whole almost hierarchical, even spiritual belief in the spiritual community. Oh, I know this, and I've studied this, and I do this, and I've done this, and it's mind-boggling, and it's wonderful. And have we taken the time to just be still and to listen and to integrate and to be open to receive information? I mean, all this other information is great. And it's the information that will come when you are quiet, in touch with your heart. Be still. So many of us have an aversion to really being still. I know I vacillate. I feel guilty if I'm still or if I haven't done anything productive. on the physical level. We have to get over that. For our health and well-being, it is imperative we take time out to be quiet. To listen to nature and be open to the guidance, to the joy. I mean, I'm listening to these blue jays and they are remarkable. They have so many different kinds of songs, but anyway, and the hummingbirds are around now, finally, and so it's just, the joy. Don't let the 3D world, what's going on, rob you of your joy and your excitement for life. We are getting through this. We will get through this. But it is going to take all of us being centered, grounded, seeing through the eyes of love and compassion, being connected in presence. As above, so below. As within, so without. So, let me go ahead. I did go ahead and bring, whoopsie, an oracle card deck with me. So this is the Gateway of Light Activation, Gateway of Light Activation, Kyle Gray. And, I love what it says. I call forth from within the light of Source. Thank you for standing at the forefront of my heart and mind. Thank you for activating the ancient wisdom of my soul. I welcome in the support of heaven, earth, the stars, light beings, and beyond. And so it is. Oh, I love that. And as I was doing that invocation, little hummingbirds buzzing by. Well, you can hear them even. Anyway, for the highest and greatest good, for entertainment, spiritual, and inspirational purposes. Let's see what my magnificent, beloved spirit team, any messages for us today. And a reminder that Tracy and I will be going live at 1 o'clock today. And you can catch that on the YouTube channel Down the Rabbit Hole with Tracy and Dee Dee. Whoopsie. So let's see. Messages for the highest good. It was right in front of me all along. Isn't that the truth? So oftentimes the messages are right in front of us and we're looking elsewhere. It was literally face up in my lap. This is, oh my goodness, this is wonderful. Star Being Healing Codes. Important information. Wounds are healed. Recharging. Oh my goodness. I do feel that. In the sunlight, especially, the healing codes, activating our DNA strands, activating the healing within. Our beloved star beings, our angels, celestial beings, are definitely with us. And they will not let any harm come to earth. Us, on the other hand, no, I'm teasing about that. We are a planet of free will. So they will intercede if the destruction of the earth is at hand. In terms of us, we are here to learn our lessons. And the way we learn is by also seeing what we don't want. And that is so much of what we are doing right now, is the recognition of what we don't want on this planet. And this goes back to what I was talking about at the very beginning, was remaining open to receiving the information. And don't be attached to the information being of the intellectual nature. So often, like even in our dream state, meditative state, we receive information, we receive guidance, but it takes a little while to percolate before we've assimilated it and are able to act on it. So be patient, and above all, be compassionate and forgiving of yourself and others. And know that individual wounds, as well as the huge collective wound, is in the process of being healed. The image that came in was, it's been a festering wound for a long time. It's infected. But we are applying the love and the caring and the light. And the infection is clearing up. And the wound eventually will heal. There will be a new skin. There will be a new planet, a new earth that we are bringing forth. But we must continue to be open to receiving the information, being the light, letting the light fill us, surround us, protect us, and ground us. Find the joy, the gratitude. I am filled with so much gratitude right now, just being out here on my deck and seeing all the hummingbirds. I hear the cardinal over there, the blue jay over there. There's a mama cardinal, papa cardinal, and the cardinals right now, some of them look a little rough because they're molting. And that's kind of where we are. We are molting. But the new growth is happening. But we look mighty ragged until the new growth comes in. But then we will be able to fly higher and shine brighter with our new feathers. Let's see. So, the message. If the world seems overwhelming or intense at this time, just know that it's okay for you to retreat to that safe space, to cleanse, recharge your energy. You may feel called to be a healer for others and share healing in the world, but please ensure that you are balanced and filled with the light first. This is not the time for you to sacrifice your own well-being in order to serve others. Light beings are placing their hands upon you now, filling you with divine light that will wash away any blockages or stagnant energy standing in the way of your freedom and wholeness. Star beings are channeling healing codes and frequencies into your being. And it's important for you to stay alert for any intuitive guidance about your body so that you can be restored to health once more. take time for yourself, to nurture yourself, to observe the beauty. Breathe in the calm, the peace, the miracles, the magic. Allow yourself to be here now in the holy presence of your sovereign being, holding the light for yourself and for others. Continue singing your song, expressing what's in your heart. And know that we are guided and protected. All right. Oh, that's a fly. What is it? I was reading, flies are perseverance. The fly just came across the lens to remind us to persevere and to hold the hope and the faith. Faith is continuing forward when you can't see what the next step is, but have faith and trust that the universe has our back and we are surrounded with angelic celestial beings here to assist. Well, I'm going to sign off now. Thanks for indulging me. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of retreat out in nature, and I'll check back in with you later. In the meantime, take off my glasses so that you can see my eyes. The joy in me recognizes the joy in you. Celebrate you. Stay grounded. Connect as above, so below. Come out and enjoy. Let nature heal you and bring you the blessings. Delight in the unexpected miracles, for they are all around you. And so it is. Namaste.